Now let's understand the concept of images in HTML. Images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. In HTML, images are defined with the img tag. Okay. So img tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Images are not technically inserted in a web pages. Images are linked to web pages. The img tag creates a holding space for the image. The img tag is empty. That means it contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. The src, that is stands for source attribute, specifies the path of the image, that is path, or you can say URL or web address of the image. Next is the alt attribute, that stands for alternate value, that specifies an alternate text for the image. This attribute provides an alternate text for an image if the user for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection, an error in an src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. The value of the alt attribute should describe the image. Okay. The alt attribute can also be a image also. It is not compulsory that you should mention text here. You can use a small image also in alt tab, alt attribute. So now here is the example of img with the alt attribute. Alt attribute works when a browser cannot find an image. It will display the value of alt attributes, that is alternate. So here is the tag, that is img, src is the name of picture, then alt means alternate tag. If in case the picture will not appear, this text will come. Then I am using width and height. It is a good practice to use width and height. Set the width and height of image when you are using images in a web page. By this way, this particular image is opening here. Next, see, in this case the wrong name is given here, so when this picture will not appear, then what will happen? If a browser cannot find the image, it will display the alternate tag, that is flowers in the child. Spelling are wrong here. Okay, so move to next. Always see, I am saying like it is a good practice to mention width and height so that the page might flicker. See, what's the reason? Always specify the width and height of an image. Why? If it is not specified, the page might flicker while the image loads. Okay, so by specifying the name or specifying the width and height, the picture width and height is take fixed size in the particular page. Next is images on another server. See, in previous examples we opened only the images which are present on my machine. So if you want to open an image from some website, then what should you do? Simply enter the whole address of the particular picture or particular website. Rest is same. Some websites store their images on the image server, so you can access images from any web address in the world. Animated images, yes, we can use animated images also here. There is no foundation that we can only use PNG, JPG. We can use any type of image in HTML. So here is the example of some GIF image. I will show you live example. Image as a link. In previous link section, I have told you that we can make a link or we can use a link as an image also. I mean, image can be used as a link also. So we'll show you example of that also. Last one is your picture element. Picture element means picture element is used to add more flexibility when specifying image resources. This particular element we will learn after the CSS part. Okay, so that you will understand this element easily. Now let's do some practical of images. So here is the example of images part. Here I'll make an image with the source earth.gif. Alternate, I'll just write cartoon, and I'm just setting the width and height to 100. I'm using 3 images here, or 3, like one is your img earth. See, first of all you should see the preview of this page. See, here is the preview. Firstly, I'll use 2 images with the fixed width and height, and then I'll use that 2 images in their actual size. Okay, so now let's see how to make a image, or how to use a image as a link. See, I want to use an image as a link. Okay, just write http, the complete address of like google.com, close this tab. Now previously we are using writing the content, writing the text in between the anchor tag. Now I want to make an image as a link, or I want to use an image as a link. Instead of writing the content, I am just writing the image path, image source alternate width and height. Okay, so when you click on this particular image of earth.gif, you will go to the page of Google. Okay, let's see. So here is the art page. See, now I want to show one thing more. When you make a text or an image a link, then when you take cursor on it, it will show a hand like this. See, it is not a hyperlink, it is not a link, it is a link. Now it is showing a hand on it. When you click on it, what will happen? It will open google.com. Okay, so this is all about images in HTML.